friends, welcome to the Atal Tinkering Lab. This lab has given us the opportunity to work on 3D printers. We have worked first time on these printers. We have used different softwares and it's very amazing to work with these softwares. Now our friends will tell us something about 3D printers.
As you can see, we have printed this variable device that is specs. Now my friend Virat will tell you more about this model.
As you all know that today the people who cannot see, walk, hear, talk or speak are not given the rightful place in the society they are deserved to be given. So we Sreshthas have worked on a motto to secure them a place in the society to give them a chance. So we have developed kind of specs which can read your mind, scan your mind, and will speak whatever you want to speak. So we have used the radio frequency scanning method in these kind of specs. We have used the radio frequency scanning in these specs because the radio frequency scanning is the safest way to read, scan and scan your mind. We have a radio frequency scanner in these specs and a speaker. So whatever you want to speak, you will think in your mind, and the specs will speak whatever you want for you.
Good morning friends, this is our model, that is Agri-Tech. We will be using this in agriculture field. This is having all the facilities for the agriculture.
In this we have a plower, crop harvester, seed driller. In the plower we have made with the help of 3D printer. Plower will help to plow the fields, which will make the soil aerated for the proper oxygenation. And then we have a seed dripper which will put the seeds in the field at proper depth, so crops can grow and get nourishment properly from the soil. And this is a crop harvester. Crop harvester will cut the crops and put it in the basket, which will help in collecting the crops. This machine will reduce the costing of the farmer, due to which they have to only buy one machine for all the agriculture purposes.
I've made a project based on modern generation. We have made this project under the heading of infrastructure, in which we have redesigned the water. We have made this project keeping it in our mind, which is that when you flush out wastewater from our toilets, the water used in flushing out the waste is very much cleaner than required. So we have made a wash basin above our flush.
As you can see, when we wash our hands with wash basin, the dirty water gets collected in the flush, and when we flush out, the dirty water then flushes. So because of its quality, we have named it as flusher basin.
Thank you.
Let us show you what we have 3D printed in our lab.
We have made this whistle to help our physical education teacher.
We have made this bullet train with a unique texture.
It is very difficult to locate the key from this.
So we created our own keychain which helps us to locate our keys really easily.
This is a plow which has been designed using 3D printer. It helps us in agricultural production.
We have made this on the principle of reusability of water.
We have
3D printed our own designs.
Thank you for